Hello everybody, welcome to Channel's Place. I'm Channel and this is my place, and I'm going to tell you today about pre-shot routine, or what I like to call a process. I'm going to tell you about the whole process, and I'm going to do it in chunks. Alright, so a lot of people don't use a process, or they don't think they use a process. Maybe you've got a guy in a bar that just walks around banging balls, getting them in a lot of the time. And some people, if you watch the pros, they definitely use a process to make sure that they make the ball, to make sure that they have every advantage and every opportunity to make the ball. And so that's what I'm going to tell you about today, because I went for years thinking, wow, I need a process, but I never actually sat down and said, okay, what's going to be in my process? What's my process? What's my pre-shot routine when I go around the table? And I started by saying, well, one thing I definitely need to do, I need to chalk my cue, right? And then I began to notice that my game wasn't that great, because I'd take a shot, maybe on an 8-ball table like this, and leave myself no shot. So, after a period of time, I developed a process. It's a process that I use, and one that I'm going to show to you and hopefully teach you so that you can remember it and use it all the time, but especially when you need to get back in the groove. So maybe you're playing for bragging rights against somebody that's a really good shot, and you miss a shot. He takes a couple of balls, you miss another shot, you get lucky, maybe you leave him safe, and then you go, well, I don't want to miss any more shots, right? At that point, you've got to be able to remember your process, go back to it, and give yourself every opportunity to make the next ball, to get back in the groove, to be able to shoot pool again. And that's what this video is about. So I'm going to start by telling you what the steps in the process are. The first one I call walk. All right, and this can be an actual walk around the table, which I won't do here because of mic cord limitations. Or you can just peruse the table. And there are a couple of things that are happening here. One, you're looking to see where all of the ball shot opportunities are. You're also looking for how you're going to get out, right, if you can get out, which is part two. Part two is your run out. So it goes walk and then run, right? Which makes sense. You walk before you run. Walk the table and then plan a run out. Plan how you're going to run out. If you're not planning to run out, you're planning not to run out. Okay? So plan to run out. Plan it. Like in this case, maybe I'm stripes. I'm going to take the 15, come back up, get the 13, have the 14 inside, and then handle the 9 and the 12 and the 8 down there. I've got a big plan. Big, good plan. Maybe it doesn't work. Doesn't matter. I've planned it. Right? And I have a better chance of giving myself a better opportunity to get out in this table. Right? Otherwise, I might just take the 13 and leave the 15 down here on the rail, which could be ugly for me later. So, that's the first two steps. Walk and run. After that, we have line up and ground up. When you line up your shot, is a great time to be chalking your cue. Any of these steps is actually a great time to remember to chalk your cue. But let's have it with lineup, because lineup is one that you're going to do every time, whether or not you do the whole step. You're going to do it. You're going to line up your shot because you're planning how you're going to get to the next position. I look at the 13 and go, okay, put it right over there. Well, yeah, I'm going to put it right over there in that side pocket. I might find my spot on the ball. I'm happy with that. I line the shot up like this. Maybe I hold my cue up like that. Chalk the cue, right? And then I'm ready for ground up. So the 4 steps so far are walk, run, line up, and ground up. And the ground up is all about getting set up to take your shot. Okay? I will do that in the next video. And also the final step, which is to stroke, aim, and shoot. All right? So yeah, that's it. It's walk, run, line up, ground up, and then you do your stroke, aim, and shot. So that is it for this video. I'll do another video coming up as a partner to this one, and hopefully we'll get through the whole series. And I will have said walk, run, line up, ground up, stroke, aim, and shoot so many times that you can't get it out of your head. Anyway, I've been Channel. This is Channel's Place. Please like, subscribe, share, all that happy business. And I will see you next time here at Channel's Place.